BMW's foray into the electric motorcycle market took an electrifying turn in 2021 with the unveiling of the C02 concept electric motorcycle. Now, after much anticipation, the renowned car manufacturer is ready to bring this innovative e-bike, officially named the C02 eParkourer, to the eager urban riders. With its distinctive positioning as an eParkourer, the C02 stands apart from conventional e-scooters and electric motorcycles, offering a fresh perspective on urban mobility. Positioned as an entry-level model following the success of the C04 scooter, the C02 promises to revolutionize urban transportation, with its emphasis on speed, agility, and creativity. Developed specifically for the cityscape, BMW describes it as a new gateway into the world of BMW Motorrad, tailored to appeal to the younger demographic seeking nimble, practical, and robust transportation solutions. One of the most striking features of the C02 is its large wheels, which not only enhance its robustness, but also enable it to tackle diverse terrains with ease. Available in two configurations, equipped with either a 4 kW or an 11 kW motor, the C02 offers versatility to suit different riding preferences and regulatory requirements. While the base model reaches a top speed of 45 km per hour, the higher-end variant can zoom up to 95 km per hour, blurring the lines between an electric moped and a mini motorcycle, the latter often requiring a motorcycle license in many jurisdictions. The C02 boasts an array of ride modes, including the standard flow and surf modes, tailored for urban cruising, and a surfing-like riding experience, respectively. Moreover, with its direct throttle activity and zero recuperation feature, riders can expect dynamic acceleration and maximum coasting efficiency, ensuring a seamless and exhilarating journey. For those craving a more spirited ride, the Flash mode offers a sportier feel, adding to the C02's appeal as an urban thrill seeker's dream. In terms of practicality, the C02 doesn't disappoint, offering a range of up to 59 miles on a single charge, and a speedy charging time of just 100 minutes for a full battery replenishment. With these impressive specifications and its distinctive appearance, the BMW C02 eParkourer emerges as a game-changer in the realm of urban electric mobility, poised to redefine the way we navigate city streets and explore the urban landscape. The BMW C02, with its groundbreaking appearance and innovative features, is set to make a splash in the world of urban electric mobility. Priced competitively at $7,599, the C02 offers an accessible entry point into the realm of premium electric motorcycles. But BMW doesn't stop there. Recognizing that riders have diverse preferences and needs, the company provides a unique opportunity for customization and personalization through its online configurator. In essence, the BMW online configurator transforms the C02 from a mere motorcycle into a personalized expression of individuality and style. By putting the power of customization in the hands of the rider, BMW ensures that each C02 is as unique and distinctive as the person who rides it. With its competitive pricing and unparalleled customization options, the BMW C02 sets a new standard for urban electric motorcycles, offering a truly personalized and exhilarating riding experience for urban adventurers everywhere. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope that the content has been informative and engaging for you, and I sincerely hope you have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you.